Hard water is pretty common nowadays, and due to that, a lot of kitchenware is damaged. A common example for that is metal rusting in the kitchen, especially the sink. Before we start, be sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated about our newest uploads. Rust stains due to hard water on the sink are nothing to worry about. This tip can help remove them easily. For this, you need a good quality hand wash that you may use on a daily basis. Put a few drops of that hand wash on a scrubber. Use that scrubber to rub and the rust stains will be removed easily. And that's all. We hope that you'll try this tip and will share your results in the comments below, because that's what keeps us going, your encouraging comments. Other than rust stains, people usually complain about clogged drains. Well, we have a solution to that too. Check out this video to learn how to unclog a drain. Take care, and I'll meet you in my next one.